It's really windy in here, so if it's bad in here, I could just imagine what it is like in all the areas that aren't protected right now. Alex is getting the dinghy all set up, and we're gonna just take Dexter to shore really quick before it gets bad. So it's gonna be an interesting day.
Hey, I'm Krystal, and this is Alex. And this is our fur baby Dexter. Together, we bought a Tanzer 26 and are currently sailing on Lake Ontario. We are complete beginners with no previous experience. Subscribe and join us as we learn how to sail and fix up our boat.
Well, the boys are taking a nap, and I'm just coming back out to check on everything. It's still pretty windy. The wind's picked up quite a bit, but we're holding good. The waves aren't too bad. It's just really gusty in here. Yeah, just kind of waiting for things to blow over. Probably going to be a really nice night. Me and Alex are thinking about waking up early and sailing back towards Kingston because it's supposed to continue to get gusty again tomorrow afternoon. Cooking up in the solar cooker again. I'm actually pretty impressed with it. We've been cooking on overcasted days and close to sunset, and it's been working flawlessly. I'm pretty happy with it. We're at it again this morning. Super early day. It's supposed to be crummy weather again, but Alex is getting sick of being at our Anchorage. Yep. So we're moving.
I want to explore.
I'm also guessing that this is going to be the calm before the storm because this is exactly what happened last time, and then we almost tipped our boat. So we'll see how it goes. The wind's picked up and we're flying, but luckily there's no waves or anything like that. Hopefully we'll make it to our spot shortly. I think we're, I don't know, a quarter of the way there maybe.
We're actually pointing extremely well. Pointing like right where we gotta go, and then we should just be able to tack right it.
Let me explain what just happened and why I dropped the camera. Sails work similar to airplane wings, so to move forward, the wind runs down both sides of the sail, funneling off at the end. There's a whole math equation to determine all of this that I don't fully comprehend yet, so I'm not going to try to explain that. But basically what that means, when you're on the downward draft of someone else's sails, all of that wind funnels off of their sail in a much stronger momentum than the actual speed of the wind. Being that the ship beside us was massive and most of their sails pointed towards our beam, that wind that they were expelling shot straight at our sails, heeled our boat, and then sucked the wind out of our sails as the boat passed us in front of the wind, causing a block in our wind. Usually during racing, this can be used as an advantage when passing another sailor going the same direction. We, however, had never experienced this with such a large vessel, so we were caught off guard when the momentum was intensified.
Oh, you happy to be at anchor? Yes. You happy to be at anchor? Yes. Well, we're dropped anchor again. The wind got pretty gusty, so we're back anchored in front of my friend's place, which is perfect because we can again take Dexter to go and play in the yard.
Your favorite spot?
Yeah. And it's actually really protected in here. I'm surprised, like, considering how choppy it is just outside from here. It's pretty good. And we're actually anchored right by a mooring ball. I guess it's an unused one.
A little baby mooring ball. I guess there was like a 40-footer attached to it at one point in time, according to Krystal's friends.
Obviously, we wouldn't be this close to a mooring ball if we thought someone was going to be coming in here and tying up to it, but...
So.
Yeah, so anyways, we're just hanging out, waiting for the wind to die off. It's supposed to be nice tomorrow, so we can have like a nice calm sail, hopefully, into Kingston. We'll see though. It's been really choppy, so I'm expecting Lake Ontario to be kind of wavy, but...
Yeah, we'll see.
We've been at Anchorage now just for over a week, a little bit.
Weather's been crazy too, so that doesn't help.
Yeah, it's been really windy. It's been rolly, as you can see. Well, I don't know if you can see in the background right now, but it's a little bit rolly in here. I kept telling Alex not to put the umbrella up when it was windy, and he didn't listen to me.
No.
What is that?
No. Just gotta fold it back.
Are you gonna fix it?
I don't know if I can.
You f***ed it, bud. Careful, Dex. Here. Should be able to fold it back over. Whoa.
Too hot, I wanted it. Needed it.
It's gonna be in my video. Here. Oh, I had a nice sunset.
Stay tuned for our next episode as we finally make it to Kingston.